Okay, there it is. I just want to smell this. It smells good. Hello beautiful angels, today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty right here. So this is Glossybox for the month of August 2020. So this is their birthday month, so I'm really excited about unboxing this beauty, and also there is going to be a giveaway, so stay tuned. And before we dive in, welcome, and I'm so happy that you're here. And if you're stopping by for the first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's dive in. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be part of this YouTube family. So in order to be part of this family, all you have to do is smash that subscribe button and also like this giveaway picture on my Instagram and leave your Instagram handles such that I could reach out to you. And let's see the items that are going to be in the giveaway. The first beauty that we have is this one right here. So this is the bag that you're going to get. So this is the Ipsy bag. And next we have this beauty right here, Laritzy Cosmetics, and this is the lip gloss in the shade Trick, and the price on this beauty is $16. Next beauty that we have for giveaway is, so this is Dr. Brand, and this is Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. And this one I really love it, so I could see like a really good results on my face, so I thought you guys would love it, so I want to include this in my giveaway. And price on this beauty is $52. And next we have this beauty right here. So this is the Hunger Games The Exhibition, and this is smudge proof liquid eyeliner, and the price on this beauty is $14. And next we have this beauty right here. So this is the Aromatica Calendula Juicy Cream, and the full size price on this one is $37, but this is like small sample size, so I'm not really sure what's going to be the value of this one. And next we have this beauty right here. So this is brightening lift up perfect fit mask, and price on this one is $3. So you could get all of these just by hitting the subscribe button, and leave your Instagram handle below, and also like this Instagram picture on my Instagram. This is the glossy box, and they have one more box inside this one. So this is the box and is the packaging. This is so cute, you guys. I mean, this is like so amazing. It's like their birthday month, and for those who doesn't know, this is my birthday month too, so I'm really excited. So this is the sneak peek. So this is how it came. Here are the products that I got. Wow, this looks so amazing. It says like birthday edition in here. This has the products that we got. Let's see the first beauty that what we got. Okay, so they did include their this one from their one of the item from their Glossybox skincare. So the item that we got is this one right here. So this is Glossybox Skincare Eye Boost Cream. It reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. Okay, that's interesting because I have been looking for a really good eye cream. So I'm excited to get that. Okay, let's see. The price on this one is the $23 for the non-subscribers, and for the subscribers of this glossy box, they would be getting this for $18. Combination of elderflower, eye bright, and a red seaweed extract. This cream helps to reduce eye bags and add some brightness. This is the beauty. So this is how it looks, and it doesn't smell anything. Next beauty that we have is this one right here. So this is Freeman Beauty, and this is a deep clean dry shampoo, and price on this beauty is $2.99. And this is the dry shampoo with pink clay and peppermint. Pink clay absorbs impurities from scalp and hair, and peppermint cools and refreshes. Okay, there it is. I just want to smell this. It smells good. Like hair styling product smell, if you know what I'm saying about. And at the same time, it smells like fresh kind of smell. I'm not sure what smell that is, but it smells good. Next, we have this one right here. So this is Glow Drops Highlighter Primer for Face, and this is vegan friendly and cruelty free. Let's see what's this beauty is. And here it says like, be fearless, you look fabulous. So this is the beauty that we have, and the price on this one is $20. So I could use this as a highlighter or a primer. Okay, so this is what we are looking at. See, so this is the part that I did apply, and this is the part I didn't. You can see the difference, right? So this is like perfect before, and this is after. It gives that like sun-kissed kind of glow. Just checking a tad bit, not much. I think it's going to do like really good even as a primer. See that? Let me see. I think I already told the price on that one, but I just want to see like again like how much that is. So that was $20. Awesome, and I really love it, so I'm going to use it for sure. Okay, and next beauty that we have is this one right here. So this is a Tangle teaser, and the price on this one is $12. Is the beauty that we are talking about. Okay, so about this one, this brush is ideal for regular hair types, detangling wet or dry hair with its two tiered regular flex teeth, which glides through the hair with no pulling. It leaves hair super soft and tangle free. I know it's like I might be irritating you guys with this sound, but I can't stop doing it. It's like so good. It feels good. And these bristles are like not too like hard. They're like really soft bristles, so I love it. And next we have this cutie. See that? So this one is what? It's Rebel's Refinery Geo Heart Shaped Lip Balm, and this is in the coconut lime, and the price on this beauty is $7. So this is how it looks. This is a natural lip balm, has the highest quality coconut and sweet almond oils to moisten, nourish, and protect your lips, while vitamin E provides essential antioxidants. Plus, it's an adorable addition to your handbag. That's true. Like, who would not want to keep this in their handbag? It's like so pretty. Wow. Look at this, you guys. For some reason, when I opened, I thought lip balm is going to be on this part of the heart, not this part of the heart. Wow, it smells so good. It smells like Jolly Rancher. Blue kind of Jolly Rancher is what it smells to me. Month where I could smell wrong or I could be more sensitive to smells. So I'm not really sure. My mind might be tricking me. It's pretty much it, guys. So that's all I got in my Glossybox, and this is the first time that I did subscribe to them, so I'm really excited and looking forward for my next month Glossybox too. And that's pretty much it, guys, and thank you so much for visiting my channel, and be good to each other, stay safe, bye.